Building material, Eurocam wall blocks. The developed technology of lightweight, large porous concrete for a wide range of purposes significantly accelerates and reduces the cost of building envelope structures and will revolutionize construction. We started production of Eurocam blocks 3 years ago. This is an innovative technology. It helps to reduce the cost of construction work. It is about 30 to 40%. During construction, there is no need to deal with external finishing, as the block already has an external decorative layer, a durable layer, painted in mass. That is, it is beautiful, it is aesthetic. In addition, we get a fairly even internal surface of the wall, which also saves the consumption of finishing materials. The block has excellent thermal characteristics, which allow not to install insulation. Eurocam wall blocks have a high self-supporting capacity. The pressing strength is 22.4 kilograms per centimeter square, which makes them in demand and the most optimal wall material in the construction of country houses and cottages. These blocks are manufactured on imported equipment. Raw material for them is light and durable ceramic concrete, the basis of which are ceramic balls of clay. The material today has been tested by all leading universities, including neither Gazdev nor Mostroy, showed that at a thickness of 40 centimeters, the reduced resistance to heat transfer is close to 4. Lava thermal conductivity tends to 0.09, but nevertheless our material has a structural load-bearing capacity that is its grade 35 and above. There is simply no healthier and more environmentally friendly material than kerosite and Udavi. Thanks to this absolutely ecological filler, the mixture formed during the production of Eurocam wall blocks has a specific internal structure with very useful properties. We have these thin layers of cement milk. They are 1.2 millimeters thick. This is quite a fantastic result. We lost 2 millimeters in the walls. 3 times lighter. Our cement consumption dropped to 100 to 120 kilograms. And plus, the most important indicator is low thermal conductivity. The Project 010. The advantage of wall blocks Eurocam. High degree of fire resistance. Thermal conductivity comparable to that of wood. 100% environmental friendliness. Hygienic. Low spartitionosity. No dew point and good air permeability. That solves today's pressing problem, oxygen starvation. Most importantly, wall blocks Eurocam allow to refuse the use of short-lived and harmful fire hazardous polymer insulators because they do not need insulation and facing. This makes it possible to avoid additional time and financial costs when building walls. Eurocam wall blocks have passed all tests and are already certified. We receive an award at Mixa for the best heat-efficient technology that we are implementing thanks to our Eurocam block. A unique achievement for builders, which allows us today to build at any time of the year. Houses that have already been built as private and multi-story and apartment buildings have shown that the construction time is no more than 2 to 3, while in some cases 4 days with full finishing. Eurocam is the only company that produces wall blocks on an industrial scale. There is a full cycle of production of blocks from large porous expanded cladite concrete. Modern equipment and fully automated process allow to reduce the cost of the finished product. Cheaper than other building materials wall blocks Eurocam makes and the raw material for their production. This is a natural material clay, which is so rich in the land near Moscow. In 2012, we received an order in the Tver region, the city of Zutsov. The house began construction in April, and in November it was handed over. People have moved in and have been living there for more than 2 years. At the end of April, the excavation pit was dug here. On October 1st, I think the main work will be completed. 30,000 square meters. Another example. This is a 4-story house, which was built within 4 months. On August 31st, they began to open the excavation, and on December 31st, 160 people have already moved in. A survey of residents who live in houses built from Eurocam blocks showed that people paid 2 to 3 times less for heating. And we can talk about heat-efficient construction. Already today, we have a precedent of reducing energy consumption, specific fuel per 1 square meter in times. Technical characteristics and advantages of wall blocks reduce the cost of construction by 35 to 40%, which meets the objective set by the Russian government back in 2009 and allows experts to say that today builders have received the technology to build really affordable and high-quality housing. According to expert estimates, a 20% reduction in the cost of housing will make the standard mortgage payment and the corresponding mortgage product affordable for more than 1 million households.